Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series for the job role Hand Embroiderer Class 10th Unit 2 Session 2. So today I am going to demonstrate you the Wheatear stitch. This stitch, as the name suggests, resembles wheat or sheaf of wheat when done in multiples. That is why sometimes it is also called wheat stitch. This is a decorative stitch and can be used as per your creativity. It works well on straight and curved lines, but it is also widely used in floral embroideries for its shape that resembles wheat. Wheatear stitch consists of two straight stitches that are made diagonally in a V shape, and then a chain stitch laces together both the stitches at the base. This stitch somewhat resembles the fun stitch. Before starting with the stitch, let us first look at all the materials required. You will require a carbon paper, design on the butter paper, pen or pencil, thread clipper, embroidery hoop or frame, embroidery floss or thread, needle and fabric, which should be starch free and well ironed. Once we have all our materials, let us start with tracing the design on the fabric. To trace the design, keep the fabric on a flat surface. Above the fabric, place the carbon paper, and then above the carbon paper, place the butter paper with the design. Now with the help of pen or pencil, trace your design on the fabric. Now, as you can see, our design is traced on the fabric. Now, we will fix our fabric on the embroidery frame or hoop. For fixing the fabric, place the smaller ring at the bottom. Above the smaller ring, place the fabric and then place the larger ring. Now, tighten the screw of embroidery frame to stretch the fabric. Let us now quickly thread our needle to start the embroidery work. If you are having trouble with threading your needle as a beginner, you can also use needle threader, which is easily available in the market. Here I am taking 3 strands of embroidery thread, but you can also use all the 6 strands of the floss. But if you are working on a finer design, then start with 2 strands of the floss and then increase the number of strands according to your design. Now knot one end of your embroidery thread. Let's start with our Wheatear stitch. First of all, take the needle out from the fabric and make a straight stitch as I am showing you. Then make a second stitch at 45-degree angle. To make the third stitch, follow the same angle on the other side and take the needle back through the fabric. Again, take the needle out from the fabric at a distance and pass the needle from right to left through all these 3 stitches. As you can see, I have used single color for making my design. You can also use shaded color thread to create more exciting effects. Now we will lock our stitch. To lock the stitch, we will take the needle to the wrong side of the fabric, make a loop and pass the needle through this loop to lock the stitch. Cut the extra thread with the help of a thread cutter. With this, we have completed our one row of Wheatear stitch. Similarly, you can finish the complete design using different kind of stitches. Once you complete your design, remove the fabric from the hoop by loosening the screw and iron your fabric to remove any hoop marks. I have already made a sample of Wheatear stitch using other different kinds of stitches. So this is the final look of my sample of Wheatear stitch. Let us now summarize the steps for doing Wheatear stitch. The first step is tracing the design. The second step is fixing the fabric on the frame or hoop. Then thread your needle and form Wheatear stitch. Then lock and clip your thread and remove fabric from hoop and iron it. Wheatear stitch is a simple, delicate stitch that is easy to learn and quick to execute. This is all for this video. So keep practicing and enjoy learning. Thank you.